How to make cinematic fog effect in CapCut for mobile. Okay, let's start. I add this clip for add fog effect. Okay, go to text and select draw. Now follow my step. Now draw a line in your video. Okay. Now increase your draw line layer with video layer. Now select this. Just increase this layer with your finger. Okay. Now go to export. Okay. Again go to new project and add your exported video and overlay, go to add overlay and import your main video. Okay, I just adjust it. Go to cutout and remove background. Now play the video and see the result. So friends, this is today's tutorial. I hope you will like this video and I hope this video will helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.